Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine there. Once again, I welcome you. I am Achal Mittal. I am going to teach you English first. As you all know, in my previous video, I have completed lesson number 4, explanation and exercise 8. So students, in this video, I will continue the chapter and I will give you exercise B, C and D of this chapter. Not further delay, take out your book. So my dear students, here is your book. Now I am going to start your exercise B of lesson number 4. As I already told you, in my previous video, I have completed exercise A. And now I am going to give you exercise B. Your B exercise is change the following sentences into interrogative sentences. Your first sentence is, she often argues with him. As you can see here, I have marked the verb of the sentence. So according to it, you have to change this sentence into interrogative sentence. So here you can see argues. Here in the verb argue, s is there. So we have to change according to does. Does she often argue with him? After that, question mark. Now second question is, my friend drives the car. Drives, here's the s in the verb. So the interrogative sentence is, does my friend drive the car? After that, question mark. Now third, we live in the next block. Live here has no s or es, so it will convert into do. Do we live in the next block? Now fourth, they participated in the drama. Participated. So this is the second form of the verb. As I told you, this is the simple past tense. So student, here we will put did. Did they participate in the drama? D. Here you can see D I have removed. So according to it, you have to do. If you will put D again here like that, so your sentence becomes. So what you have to do? You have to remove D from the sentence. Okay. Now next, he lived alone in his old age. So the sentence is, did he live alone in his old age? After that, question mark. All have to write in neat and clean handwriting, and as it is you have to write I have written. Okay. Now come on, next exercise, next page. Sixth question. Here you can see sixth is, the girl sings sweetly. Answer become, the girl sings sweetly. Seventh, her parents love her dearly. Do her parents love her dearly? Eighth, all boys like playing cricket. Do all boys like playing cricket? Ninth, the birds fly swiftly. So the answer is, does the bird fly swiftly? 10th, he usually gets up at 6 o'clock. Does he usually get up 6 o'clock? So in this way you all have to write the answer. Okay. After every sentence, means after interrogative sentence, don't forget to put question mark. Okay. Now next exercise, C exercise. Here you see, change the following sentence into an interrogative sentence. First is, the rain was falling steadily. Here is the verb, helping verb is was. There only verb there. Here is no helping verb, but here is a helping verb was. So as you all know, I have explained you in my previous video, whenever helping verb is there in the sentence, we put forward helping verb in the sentence to make that interrogative. So was, I have put it forward. Here you can see, was the rain falling steadily? Okay. Same as next question. Next you can see, he was leaning against the wall. Was he leaning against the wall? Next, they are coming before noon. Are they coming before noon? Fourth, the sun was shining brightly. Was the sun shining brightly? Fifth, the baby is crying. Is the baby crying? Don't forget to make the capital letter of the helping verb. Okay, here you can see I have made all capital letter. Okay, now next. Sixth, we are learning our lessons. Are we learning our lessons? Now seventh, the baby was drinking milk. Was the baby drinking milk? Eighth, the children are playing merrily. Are the children playing merrily? Ninth, they are studying hard for their examination. So the next is, are they studying hard for the examination? You can see the top and the bottom of the exercise. Now 10th, the birds are building a nest. So the answer is, are the birds building a nest? So in this way your B and C exercise completed. Now come on next, dry drill. You can take a screenshot to do it, and if you are having any doubt in the explanation, you can see my previous video to clear your doubts. Now next exercise, here you can see joy drill. This I am going to give you in homework, but first of all I will show you two sentences how to write down. Okay, your question is, read the following group of words and make interrogative sentence. Your first is, they live do in India. So it is not in correct order. You all have to put in correct order to make the interrogative sentence, and don't forget to put question mark at the last. So here you can see, what is it? It become, do they live in India? Okay, I capital. After that, question mark. Now same as next, do you drink coffee? Do coffee drink you? So sentence become, do you drink coffee? So in this way you all have to rearrange the words to make the correct sentence. Next exercise, this you have to do in homework. Okay, all have to do in homework. After that you have to write A I have already given you in homework. B exercise in copy. This exercise you have to do in your book. Okay. B exercise you all have to revise, and after that you have to write in revision copy. This is your homework. So student, it is sufficient for today. Next week I will give you next chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me in comment.